Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we have to tap on the profile menu, then scroll down, tap on settings, and then here under notifications tap on that, and here we can select what kind of notifications we want to receive. Maybe we just want to receive notifications about our bookings, status updates, direct messages, etc. And then we can just turn on the notifications, like allow the notifications in the system settings. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.